Government should differ.
In the course of his reply, the Honourable Minister said that he has got this new portal where he has got 9.5 lakh applicants and he has advertised 80,000 jobs. It seems to me this should not be a cause of satisfaction. We're looking at something like 8.5%.
Okay.
I'd like to ask the Minister, what about the remaining 9 lakh people
right.
who will not get the jobs thanks to his portal? Thank
No, that is all. Now, when the third reading, that we'll see that. The question, Minister, you want to say anything?
First of all, our Khargeji, really I want to thank him also because they have supported. They have supported not only that, already I referred in my speech that whatever the leftover job is there, we have done. That I will make it clear, sir. And secondly, regarding the ESIC coverage, which is to be enhanced from 15,000 to 25,000, they are also recommending this is active consideration. And third one is labour is under concurrent list. So the appropriate government is the state governments. So that's why there are a lot of issues separately. Anybody is there, especially, they can come to meet me and I will definitely try to help them.
The question is that, no, the question is that bill be taken into consideration. Those in favor may say aye, those against may say no. I think the ayes have it, The motion for consideration of the bill is adopted. The House will now take up class by class consideration of the bill. Dr. Shashi Tharoor, are you moving your amendment, number 1?
Yes, sir.
all
If I can just explain very briefly, sir, the issue is very simple. I support the desire to give warnings in writing, letting the workers know of their rights in writing.
Right.
But हमारे देश में बहुत अनपढ़ मजदूर भी होते हैं. So if we can add orally and in writing, then everyone is happy that they'll also know what their rights are.
Right. The question is that amendment number 1 moved by Dr. Shashi Tharoor be adopted. Those in favor may say aye, those against may say no. I think the noes have it. Amendment is negative. Sri N.K. Premchandran to amendment number 2. Are you moving?
Sir,